Hey everybody, today let's paint a cactus and catch up on what's been going on. I know it's been a while since I've posted a video, it's been a few months, and that's because of everything going on. My kids have been home, they've been having to do schoolwork at home, and having two kids doing schoolwork, a 3-year-old running around, it was virtually impossible to try to get a video done. Plus, I've picked up a few commissions on the side, and they're more of a detailed piece than what I normally do on the YouTube channel, and it wasn't something that I could just sit down and record and then post because they take so long to do. After doing those detailed pieces, I decided that I wanted to just kind of relax and do something fun, something that I didn't really have to think too hard about. So I decided to do this painting and kind of clear my head, show y'all how to kind of blend different colors and show highlights and shadows on a cactus, and it turned out pretty fun. And I hope y'all enjoy it too. Now that everything is kind of calmed down and settled down around here, kids are done with schoolwork, it's officially summer break for them. So I'm going to try to move my upload dates from Tuesdays to Wednesdays and only doing it once a week. I hope you all enjoyed this video, and if you did, give a thumbs up, comment down below your thoughts, and don't forget to subscribe. And when you do subscribe, hit that bell for notifications so you don't miss any future tutorials from me.